Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HENMI mobile phone holder for your bicycle. It's a waterproof IPX5 frame back bicycle for your bicycle with TPU touchscreen for mobile phone. It's a mobile phone case for bicycles and smartphones up to 7 inches for mountain bike, road bike, pedelec, and so on. We have here a wireless compatibility. The bicycle mobile phone bag measures 19 to 10 to 3.5 nanometer and is compatible with mobile phones of up to 7 inches and smaller to meet the needs of the different users. Regardless of the brand of the mobile phone, it can be easily placed in it. No need to worry about the mobile phone because it's too big or too small to put it in there. And a weather handlebar. The bicycle mobile phone bag is made of IPX5 waterproof and durability VA material. It is not only waterproof but also provides a good shock absorption for our mobile phone and efficiently protects the contents of our bag. This waterproof mobile phone holder can better withstand all types of weather and road conditions while driving. The Velcro fastener inside the bag is to secure the phone. That screens is attached to the high quality and sensitive TPU touchscreen film, which allows an easy access to the phone without having to take it off. The sun door is designed to minimize the reflection of the sunlight, so we can easily use our phone to navigate, answer calls, or listen to music while driving. And we have a unique design. This bicycle mobile phone bag here for the handlebar is specially equipped with waterproof reflection tips to provide additional safety while driving. Under the light, the reflection zipper can improve visibility on the road, though that's passing cars and pedestrians notice our presence in time and avoid possible danger. And compact and space saving. This mobile phone holder here meets the requirements of daily driving and offers a space for a repair tool and other bicycle utilities. The additional coin compartment inside the bag makes it easy to organize important items such as change, credit card, and keys. The divided storage is convenient and, of course, practical. And adjustable alignment. The mobile phone bag is 360 degrees adjustable in any direction and fits the handlebar diameters of 20 up to 55 millimeter. The mobile phone bicycle bag is relatively easy to assemble, as you can see. No tools are required to easily attach it. It's practical for everyday use and for long distance ride. It comes with 2 rubber pads that can attach to the handlebar if this is required, of course. This is a bicycle bag with a model number HMB-01. The material is EVA and TPU film, and it makes a cool job because we here comes with the S size model. On the market there is an M size model too, so we can use it on a handlebar. And this makes a good job to easy peasy use vertical or horizontally and so on use of that device here. Because this is the HENMI mobile phone holder system HMB-S01. It's only 0.35 pound. That means it's not so heavy, but it protects and stays your smartphone into position while it is installed on your handlebar. And you can remove it and attach it onto the handlebar if you go for shopping, for example. Really cool feature, really cool device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.